Hello everybody, my name is Jagdish. In today's session, we would study about the Bravais lattice. The Bravais is a crystallographer, so he studied the crystallography of the crystals. In that, he found there are the 14 types of a lattice are possible in 3 dimension. So those are collectively called as the Bravais lattice. And so he divided into 7 crystal systems. Among the 14 types of a lattice, so we can divide this into 7 crystal systems. So first we have to concentrate on the lattice types in 2 dimension. In 2 dimension, so there are only the 5 types of lattices. Hey Gautam. There are in 2 dimension crystal lattice, there are only 5 types of lattices. First one is oblique lattice, second one is square lattice, hexagonal lattice, rectangular lattice and centered rectangular lattice. Now we have to study one by one. So first one is square lattice system. Here the sides A1 and A2 are equal. The angle between the A1 and A2 is 90 degree. In the rectangular case, so sides A1 is not equal to A2, but the angle is 90 degree. Here for our convenience, so we have taken A1 and A2 as a lattice parameter. So you can take this as A and B also. In centered rectangular crystal system, so here similar to the rectangular crystal system only, but only difference is there is a central atom. That is A1 is not equal to A2. The angle is 90 degree, but there is a central atom. In the hexagonal crystal system, the A is equal to B, so both the sides are equal, but the angle made by these two is it is pi by 3 or it is a 60 degree. In oblique case, oblique crystal system, so here the A1 and A2 are not equal, the angle made by these two is less than 90 degree. So in a 3 dimension, so there are 7 crystal systems, but in 2 dimension there are only 5 crystal systems. So in 7 crystal system, so first one is the cubic system, trigonal or rhombohedral system, hexagonal system, tetragonal system, orthorhombic system, monoclinic system and triclinic system. So there are 7 types of crystal system. What are the differences among these crystal systems we have to study now? In all these are called the Bravais lattice only. Here in Bravais lattice, for simplicity we have to take it as cubic. So in previous classes we have studied about the cubic system. In cubic system there are all the sides are equal. That is, along x-axis we have to take it as a A, along y-axis it is B, and along z-axis it is C. The primitive cell, it is a minimum volume cell. The primitives in minimum volume cell, that is a primitive cell, is present in all the 7 crystal systems. In cubic system we have the 3 types, that is a primitive cell or the simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic. The simple cubic means there are 8 atoms at the corners, so this is also called as a primitive cell. The contribution of the 8 atoms in that unit cell should be 1, so in such cases this is called as a primitive cell. Here in simple cubic, so we have the 8 atoms at the corners. In body centered so we have 8 atoms at the corners and 1 atom at the center. In a face centered cubic, so we have 6 faces for a unit cell, 8 atoms at the corners and 6 atoms are at the center of the faces. So that is a face centered structure. So we already know about that. In cubic system, as we studied earlier, here along x-axis, so we have taken this as A, along y-axis it is B, along z-axis it is C, where A, B, C are the lattice parameters or the length of the unit cells. The length of the unit cell along the x-axis is A, along y-axis is B, along z-axis is C. The angle made by these are called alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha is opposite to the side A, beta is opposite to the side B, and gamma is opposite to side C, or that is the length of the unit cell C. Here the alpha is the angle which is made by the two sides, that is B and C. Beta is the angle made by C and A, and B. Gamma is the angle made by two sides, that is A and B. So this is applicable in all the 7 crystal systems. So only for simplicity purpose I have taken this for cubic system. Now let us study one by one about the previous lattice. In cubic system, so we have the length of the edges or the length of the unit cell A is equal to B is equal to C. So in primitive cell, gamma alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. So all the angles are equal to 90 degree in case of cubic lattice. Here we have 3 types of a cubic lattice. One is P means it is a primitive cell, I means it is a body centered cubic, F is face centered cubic. In cubic crystal system we have 3 types: primitive, body centered and face centered. And next one is tetragonal. In tetragonal system there is a primitive cell there are 8 atoms at the corners. Here the sides A is equal to B, but it is not equal to C. Only 2 sides are equal, but third side is not equal to those sides. So that is tetragonal. And alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. All the 3 angles are equal to 90 degree in case of tetragonal. And there are 2 types, the primitive cell and the body centered. Next one is orthorhombic. In orthorhombic, so here it looks like a rectangular only, but the sides A is not equal to B is not equal to C. So all the sides are different. So that's why, so A is not equal to B is not equal to C. What about these angles? Here the alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. All these are 90 degree. In orthorhombic, so we have 4 types, that is a primitive cell, body centered and face centered, and one more is it is a side centered. So side centered means there are only 2 atoms at the sides. There are 6 faces in orthorhombic, but in all the sides the atoms are not present. The atoms are present only at the sides, that is 2. So we have only 2 sides. In hexagonal system, so here A is equal to B, the 2 sides are equal and those 2 sides are not equal to third side. that is A is equal to B, that is not equal to C. Here alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, but here the angle changes, that is gamma is 120 degree. So we already defined what is gamma. In hexagonal crystal system, there is only primitive cell. There is no any body centered or face centered. It has only primitive cell. In trigonal system, here A is equal to B is equal to C. So alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. So in such cases, so this is called as trigonal. In trigonal also there is only the primitive cell. There is no any body centered or the face centered. Next is monoclinic. In monoclinic, its shape like this. Shape is like this. So A is not equal to B. B is not equal to C. All the sides are different only. Here the alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, but beta is 120 degree. So that is called as a monoclinic. There are two types in a monoclinic: primitive cell and the side centered. So it is not a body centered or face centered, it is side centered. There are atoms present only at the sides, only at the two sides. In triclinic, so here A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Similarly, the alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma. So all these are not equal to 90 degree. It is more than that. So that's why it is called as a triclinic. In Bravais lattice, there are 14 crystal system. So in 14 crystal system, the cubic has 3 system, that is primitive, body centered, face centered. In tetragonal, we have 2 types, that is primitive and body centered. In orthorhombic, we have 4 types, the primitive, body centered, face centered and side centered. In hexagonal, we have only one type, that is a primitive cell. In trigonal, we have only one primitive. In monoclinic, the primitive and side centers are present. In triclinic, we have only primitive cell. So totally we have 14 Bravais lattice. The base centered is also called as side centered. So there should not be any confusion among these two. So both are same, that is a base centered and side centered. So in today's sessions we have studied about the 14 Bravais lattice. Thank you all.